That perspective is your superpower. It allows you to solve problems others can't, connect with people in ways others won't, and create things that no one else can imagine. But embracing your uniqueness takes courage. It means being willing to be misunderstood. It means some people will dislike you simply because they can't put you in a box. It means saying, I know I'm different, and I'm not going to apologize for it. When you truly accept who you are, you start radiating authenticity. And authenticity is magnetic. People are drawn to those who are real, not perfect. You stop chasing approval because you realize the right people will be attracted to your true self, and the wrong ones will naturally fall away. Remember, you weren't born to live as a faded version of someone else's dream. You were born to be the most vivid, unapologetic version of you. And the moment you embrace that, you stop competing with the world, because there is no competition when you're in a league of your own. If you want, I can now expand key point 2 with the same motivational depth so it flows perfectly after this one. When Priyanka Chopra says, let your dreams fly, give them wings. She isn't talking about small, safe dreams. She's talking about the kind that scare you a little, the kind that make your heart race because they feel almost impossible. Too often, we shrink our dreams to fit the size of our current reality, forgetting that reality can be stretched, shaped, and transformed. Your circumstances today are not the boundaries of your future. Dreaming without limits starts with giving yourself permission to imagine a life beyond what you see right now. It means rejecting the idea that there's a ceiling to what you can achieve. Most people let fear, doubt, or the opinions of others clip their wings before they even try to fly. They say, be realistic. But being realistic is often just another way of being afraid. Every great invention, every revolutionary idea, every breakthrough in art, science, or business came from someone who was unrealistic enough to believe they could do something that had never been done before. Big dreams demand bold vision. They require you to step outside your comfort zone and imagine yourself in places and positions that might feel far away now. Standing on a stage, running your own business, traveling the world, building something extraordinary. And here's the truth. You don't have to know how you'll get there when you start. The how will come with time, learning, and persistence. What matters first is believing that it's possible. Letting your dreams fly also means not letting anyone else hold the strings. Some people will try to discourage you because they can't see your vision. But that's okay. Your dream was not given to them. It was given to you. Protect it. Feed it. Work for it every single day, even when progress feels slow. When you give your dreams wings, you're saying to the universe, I am ready. I am willing. I am not afraid to want more. And once you adopt that mindset, the world opens up in ways you never imagined. Because big dreams have a way of attracting big opportunities. When Priyanka Chopra says, let your dreams fly, give them wings, she's giving us permission to stop living inside invisible cages. Most people don't even realize they are caged, because their limitations aren't made of iron bars. They're made of fear, self-doubt, and the constant noise of other people's opinions. These are the invisible chains that convince you to aim low, to stay arealistic, and to be satisfied with just enough to get by. But dreams are not meant to be small. Dreams are meant to challenge you, excite you, and even scare you a little, because only then will they push you to grow into someone you've never been before. Think about it. Every great achievement in history was once considered impossible. Airplanes, space travel, the internet, global movements, all of these began as ideas in someone's mind. The difference between those who achieved their dreams and those who let them fade is simple. The achievers dared to keep believing when the rest of the world doubted. They didn't ask for permission to dream. They gave themselves permission to go after what they wanted. Dreaming without limits means painting your vision with the boldest colors, without worrying whether the world will approve. It means saying, why not me? Instead of, that's not for people like me. It means refusing to let your past dictate your potential. You could have come from the most modest beginnings, faced the harshest challenges, or failed more times than you can count. None of that disqualifies you from building a life beyond your wildest imagination. And here's the truth most people forget. The size of your dream determines the size of your growth. Small dreams require you to be only slightly better than you are now. Big dreams demand transformation. They force you to think differently, work harder, take risks, and keep going when others would quit. And that transformation is where the magic happens. But there's something else. When you give your dreams wings, you must also give them fuel. That fuel is discipline, learning, and relentless effort. It's not enough to imagine yourself soaring. You have to keep flapping your wings every single day, even when the wind is against you. Some days will be calm skies, others will be thunderstorms. But if you keep flying, you'll discover heights you never knew existed. And perhaps the most beautiful part, when you dream without limits, you don't just change your own life. You give others permission to believe that they too can rise above their circumstances. You become living proof that what once felt unreachable can be done. When Priyanka Chopra says, "You have never arrived," she's delivering a truth that separates the good from the truly great. The journey never really ends. The moment you believe you've made it, you stop growing, you stop pushing, and you slowly begin to decline without even realizing it. Staying ambitious and unsettled isn't about being dissatisfied with life. It's about keeping the fire alive even after you've achieved something remarkable. Think of life as a mountain range, not a single peak. You climb one mountain, you celebrate, enjoy the view, breathe in the accomplishment. But then you look around and see there are still higher peaks waiting. The mistake many people make is planting their flag on the first summit and staying there forever. They forget that comfort can be as dangerous as failure because it lulls you into believing there's nothing more to strive for. Staying ambitious means you remain curious, hungry, and open to new possibilities, no matter what level of success you've reached. It's about waking up each day with the mindset that there is still something to learn, still something to create, still another challenge to conquer. It's about refusing to let your last victory be your final chapter. The world is full of stories of people who achieved greatness once, an incredible performance, a best-selling book, a breakthrough idea, and then spend the rest of their lives chasing that same moment instead of building new ones. Why? Because they thought they had arrived. True visionaries never think that way. They understand that the destination is just another starting point. Remaining unsettled doesn't mean you can't appreciate your success. It means you celebrate it, but don't let it define you. It means you keep setting higher standards for yourself. Not because you're ungrateful, but because you know your potential is limitless. And here's the truth. Your best work will probably come when you think you've already done your best, simply because you dared to keep going. When you live with this mindset, life stays exciting. Every accomplishment becomes a launch pad, not a finish line. Every milestone becomes proof that you're capable of more. And every time you step into the unknown again, you rediscover the thrill that comes from chasing something just out of reach, because that's where growth lives. When Priyanka Chopra says, "You have never arrived," she's dismantling one of the most dangerous illusions in life. The idea that success is a final destination. The truth is, the moment you believe you've made it, you risk losing the very drive that got you there. Comfort is seductive, but it's also a silent thief. It can steal your hunger, your edge, and your sense of purpose without you even realizing it. Success is not a static point. It's a moving target. What was once extraordinary for you becomes ordinary.